Ouch! Ilalagay mo lang naman, tapos pabayaan mo lang siya, tapos magkukulay na siya. This time, it's different. I am excited! Hey you guys! This is your girl, Nikki. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I'm gonna color my hair. From the title itself, I believe that you already know. So, sobrang tagal kong nag-decide na mag-push through sa color na gusto ko. I am gonna make my hair as colorful as possible. Because, you know, life does seem dull at times. And it's time for us to give color and put color in our life. And that also includes our hair. I actually bleached my hair 4 times. 4 times. Buti nga hindi siya nasira. But actually, my natural hair is really damaged. Medyo naalagaan naman siya ng conditioner. But, I was supposed to achieve the 9 to 10 shade after bleaching. But unfortunately, hindi siya pantay. Kasi nung binish ko yung buhok, hindi rin talaga pantay yung kulay. So, hindi rin naman ako masyado marunong magkulay. So, ganyan yung nangyari. Ito yung pinaka na-achieve kong color. So, natutubo na yung buhok ko. So, kailangan na talaga siyang kulayan. Mukha siyang may mga langgam. Oh. Ang pangit na. See? So, it's time. It's time to color my hair. So, ita-try out ko. Ito pala yung mga products na ginamit ko for bleaching my hair. It's not easy. So, I'm gonna try out these babies right here. It's from Kleur by Pimp My Hair PH. It's a color treatment thing. It's a color treatment, what is this? Cream? It's a color treatment hair color. Hindi niya na kailangan ng oxidizing cream. It's basically like, alam niyo yung overtone? Sinabi lang din sa akin ng sister ko, but overtone is parang mixed na siya. So parang ready to apply na lang siya ng color, and all you need to do is leave it for an hour or more. And then it will actually give the color that you want for your hair. Tapos i-maintenance mo na lang siya ng, I don't know, either purple shampoo, or you can just actually reapply it. So I got 5 shades. I got the color purple. See, it's like this. It smells so good. So I have the color purple. Pastel purple. Wow. Okay. And then I have green. It's peacock green. So peacock green. Ay, iba-iba pa yung amoy niya. Okay, hindi siya ganun ka. May mas amoy chemical itong peacock green compared dun sa pastel purple. But this is the color. Oh my gosh, parang ang ganda nito. And then I have the strawberry pink color. Okay, that's. See, kaamin nito yung pastel purple. Pastel purple, but yung peacock green has more chemicals now on it. Then I have the hello yellow. Kung may hello naman talaga yung pagka-hello nito. As in like, hello, I'm yellow. Wow. Mukha siyang sobrang pigmented, but we'll definitely know later. And then I have the turquoise color. Well, I have, it's like bright blue kapag in-apply mo. I actually tried this. Tinest ko lang siya sa hair ko, but I only left it for 5 minutes. Actually, dito pa yun. Should be somewhere here. Oh. See, there, ito, hindi siya gano'ng kita kasi it's only 5 minutes. Hindi siya masyadong kumunay. But, if you leave it for an hour or so, mas grabe yung color niya. You can actually just reapply them kapag medyo nag-fade na if you want to. Pero sa hair na gagawin ko, I don't think that it'll be easy for me to reapply. Kasi nga, colorful yung plano kong gawin na hair. Hindi ko naman kayang pag-iwa-hiwalay yung buho ko at hanapin ko ano yung kakulay niya, diba? So, I actually have a black color from Bremod. I'll get it. There you go. Yes, for powers. This is from Bremod, and this is just basically black. Ito yung mga hinahaluan ng oxidizing cream. So, this is just for backup. Hindi na, pag nagkandaleche-leche yung look ko. At yung color na plano kong gawin. And please, I have backup. Pwede ko siyang kulayan ng itim. So, that'll be like that for a long time. So, I'm gonna start doing this already. Disclaimer lang, hindi ako talaga marunong magkulay ng hair. So, alam niyo na, posibleng may mali sa gagawin ko. I hope that it's a yay. But if it's a nay, then black it is. I'm gonna go ahead and start. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano sirahin yung mga buhok niyo. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I'm gonna color my hair, and I'm gonna show you the outcome. Okay, so I have my towel para magpunas-punas kasi nga makulay yung gagamitin ko. And then I have my plastic gloves. I have extra, and then I'm supposed to use a brush. It's just that the doggy ate it. I have nothing to use. I'm probably just gonna use my fingers, but I have to probably look for something else to use in replacement of the damaged brush. So forgive me if you're gonna see me using something that I can find here at home for my brush, because it's already night. It's 10 p.m. I cannot go out just to buy a brush. And I have work, so by the way, I'm gonna find something to change to because ang kulay ni damit natin. Now, the thing is, find something that you don't normally or you don't regularly wear. Kasi, di ba nga, baka makulayan siya. So, ang shala, di ba? So, here we go! May iba na isang color lang yung buong section. Yung iba, tina-transition ko. Like ito, from blue nagiging pink. yellow. So, tapusin ko yung top. Tapos, pakita ko yung after ng lahat. And then, tsaka ko siya paliliguan. Okay? So this is basically how it looks like. Oh my gosh, grabe yung pag-violet yung taas. Good luck! Kaya yung colors ng iba. And then ito. So again, what I did is, section ko lang siya, yung first half, tapos yung dalawang half dito, tapos dinivide ko lang siya ng maliliit na section. Tapos, hinati ko ulit yung first half dito ng isa pang half para iyon yung gagawin kong violet. Tapos, kinontinue ko lang yung sections. Merong iba na nagta-transition, pero yung iba, ng isang buong color lang. So, iiwan ko to for 1 hour. Ika-conditioner ko lang. Tapos, papatiin ko. Tapos, tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging kalalabasan. Yung dirty na hands ko. Okay, I'm gonna be back. So, yeah, here you go. Here is the finished look. Medyo hindi din ulit pantay kasi hindi nga pantay yung color ng hair ko. But, look at that. Mabango siya sa hair. Hindi siya maamoy yung gamot. The question is, though, is if it's gonna last for a very long time. Although ang claims kasi niya is it will only last probably 2 to 4 weeks pag hindi mo siya inag-alagaan, but pwedeng more kapag inalagaan mo siya. In my case, nag-purple conditioner lang ako, hindi ako nag-shampoo. Oh, look at the blue. It is a yay for me. I like it, actually, kasi nakakalambot naman siya ng buhok. Masarap siya sa hair and mabango siya. Ang ganda ng colors. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Ako peacock. But, okay. So, yeah. Thumbs up for Kleur's color treatment. Again, marami pa silang colors na pwedeng pagpilian. So, mura lang siya, by the way. It's only 159 pesos for 100 ml na to. Yung ganito. Depende rin kasi sa hair kung gaano kapal at gaano kahaba. Kung meron kang long hair or makapal yung hair mo, you may wanna, use 2 tubs. Sa akin kasi manipis na naman yung hair ko and hindi naman ganun kahaba. So, and hindi naman kasi buong hair yung kinolor ko, diba? I mean, by sections lang. So, I bought 5 colors for 159 each. So, just do the math. But, yeah, you can purchase them at Shopee. Ilalagay ko yung link down below. So, pwede kayong mamili ng color doon. Yeah. See? It's pretty. It's pretty. It's something new. Para maiba lang. It's a thumbs up for me. I really love it. Alam mo yun, minsan kasi life is too short to have dull hair or to have plain hair, simple hair. Alam mo yun. You can explore as much colors you want. You can always put them back to black anyway, so I'm not gonna be using the black for now since okay lang, gusto ko yung kinalabasan niya. Okay kasi yung minsan binibisan natin yung sarili natin or china-change natin yung look natin. So, for me, self-care is the best care. Okay, tandaan niyo yan. I am, well, almost 30 years old. I am also a mom, and being a mom and growing old doesn't have to mean that you have to sacrifice beauty and that you have to sacrifice, dressing up or fixing yourself. From time to time, yeah, why not? Treat yourself, beautify, do your makeup, do your hair, do your clothes. Not only for girls, but also for boys. It's always nice to, dress up a little, bring that confidence out. I mean, let's all be beautiful together. Thank you for watching this video and for hopefully finishing the video until the end. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe the video. Thank you very much, you guys. Cheers to dreams!